If you are looking for an awesome metal detector for kids, you're going to want to check this one out. The brand did send me this so I could do this review for you. This was super easy to put together. It took me about 5 minutes. It comes with batteries, which is great. Basically, you just have to put the 2 batteries right into here, up here, screw some things in, and we're good to go. This is what the base looks like. We're going to take this outside in just a second. You also get this nice little basket, and that has a handle, so you kind of sift, or you can put your findings in here. We also get this plastic rake, so you could rake through stuff, and of course we got a plastic shovel as well. So this is kind of your display right up here, and it kind of, you'll see when we take it outside, it kind of makes faces. You could light it up, you could put headphones in here. This is the power on, power off. So let's go outside and see if we can find anything. All right, so we're just kind of going around out here, see if we can find anything. You'll see right there, that very first face right there means like you didn't really find anything that great. And kind of as you go, you'll come across stuff. This is kind of like a piece of metal right here. You kind of see 5 cents. As we get closer over here, 25 cents. So that's probably going to be, you can see it's going on. That's actually a piece of metal that's made up of all sorts of stuff. So you can just kind of see it does a good job detecting different things. So if you're looking for a great metal detector for your kid or a great gift, definitely check this out. And a big thanks to the brand for sending me this so I could do this review.